Welcome to eDay25. Today is Wednesday. We are going to be solving one-step equations. You're thinking about what will undo an operation. If you have a plus sign, what would undo that is subtracting. And just remember, what you do to one side, you must do to the other. If your original problem has a subtraction sign, the inverse operation would be addition. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. Right now they're joined by multiplication, so we show it as dividing by 4. And here, to get rid of a division, we're going to multiply both sides by 3. So I have some examples to help us out. Here we have a plus sign, and you want to think about what would undo addition. Undoing addition is subtraction. And just remember, what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So here, these will cancel out, and you're left with u. 8 minus 2 is 6. Here we're dividing. To undo division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides. Those will cancel. And 2 times 2 is 4. Here's another division one. If we're dividing by -6, to undo it, we multiply. But you're going to still multiply by -6 because your inverse operation is multiplication, so you don't have to change the sign. So here, those would cancel, and then a negative times a negative is a positive, and that will be a positive 30. Our operation is multiplication. To undo multiplication, you're going to divide. And so 6 divided by 2 is 3. In this next problem, I suggest putting the number in front, and when there's no number there, it's actually a 1. So this is a -1. If we're multiplying by -1, to undo that, we're going to divide by -1. And then 4 divided by -1 is -4. To undo addition, we are going to subtract. So that will cancel out. And then if you need to, you use your calculator to make sure you're doing okay with your signs. -12 minus 4 is -16. To undo subtraction, we are going to add. So we will add 1 to both sides. 3 plus 1 is 4. I really don't like double signs, so minus a negative is really plus a positive. So I would just rewrite this problem as +4 equals 9. I would rewrite it before you even begin working with inverse operations. Now if you have a +4, to undo that, you're going to subtract 4. And then your z is 5. And that's it. This one you're going to go to 100%. I hope it's fairly easy for you. It is W7 in 8th grade. As always, if you have any questions, email me or send me a message on Remind or join us on Zoom. Have a great day.